So today we're going to be looking at the Leidenfrost effect, and for the start of this video, this was just cool stuff that I noticed while we were doing our setup, which all you need for your setup is a pan, a stove top, and some water. So while we were throwing just kind of test droplets in to see if we were getting to that temperature that the pan needed to be at for the Leidenfrost effect to work, we noticed that it would do stuff like bubble or twitch or slide, and we thought that was really interesting, so I wanted to include that part in this video. So right here is where we're actually going to look at the part of the experiment that gives us the good results. So I've heated my pan up to high, and I have just room temperature water. And as you can see, I can slide this all around, and it doesn't behave like you would expect water to. That's where the Leidenfrost effect comes into play. So the Leidenfrost effect says that when the temperature of the pan gets hotter than the boiling point of water, as the water droplet hits the surface, the quote bottom of the droplet vaporizes so quickly that the vapor insulates the rest of the droplet and makes it sort of float on the hot surface of the pan. This insulation and floating causes it to kind of dance. As you can see in some of these videos, I'm not touching the pot, and I think I have a very good one at the end. I'm not touching the pot, and it still jumps around completely by itself. Here we're going more towards, there were a few extra things that you could try to do, so we were trying to add a lot more water and see how it reacts. I'm unsure about the bubbling, but that's really interesting, so I may Google that in just a bit. But I'm not touching the pan here, as you can see, and the water sliding all around. So then here we tried adding a much bigger water supply, and it can look a lot different than this, but I really wanted to see what it would look like if you had a bunch. And I think it's crazy that this whole stream of liquid is all technically floating on there. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned a lot from it, and have a great day.